Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series, here I came up with the 26th question written on the screen. If x plus y plus z is equal to 1 and x comma y comma z are positive numbers such that 1 minus x into 1 minus y into 1 minus z is greater than or equal to k times of x y z, then the exact value of k is asked to us. So guys, we can make this questions using two ways. One is called as procedural way and the other is called as shortcut way, and both are conceptual only. Okay, so procedural way, I'll be going to consider the value of 1 minus x multiplied by 1 minus y multiplied by 1 minus z divided by xyz, and we will see what will be assumed by us, what will be achieved by us. So multiplying this braces, I'll be going to get what? 1 minus x plus y plus z plus xy plus yz plus xz minus xyz divided by xyz. Proceeding further, and we'll be going to divide the things, we'll be going to get like 1 upon, guys, what all things values we are knowing already. X plus y plus z we are knowing already, that is 1 we are knowing, so it will be becoming 1 minus 1 plus xy plus yz plus xz minus xyz divided by xyz. So this will be going to get cancelled with this, so it will be becoming like 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z minus 1. Now if we have anything like 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z, I'll be going to make use of GM-HM inequality, that is AM GM HM we have already, so AM is greater than equal to GM, greater than equal to HM we know. I'll be going to make use of AM HM inequality. So AM of what? X, Y and Z divided by 3 will be our AM, greater than or equal to 3 divided by 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z will be. Proceeding further, we'll be going to get what? 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is greater than or equal to 9, because x plus y plus z is equal to 1 we are knowing. So we got the value of 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z as 9. Now what do we know? We know that this was our value of what? The expression we had. What was our expression? 1 minus x multiplied by 1 minus y multiplied by 1 minus z divided by xyz, and its value was what? 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z minus 1. 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z minus 1. And we know the value of this thing is greater than or equal to 9. That means the value of this thing will be greater than or equal to 8. That means 1 minus x multiplied by 1 minus y multiplied by 1 minus z divided by xyz will be greater than or equal to 8. That means 1 minus x multiplied by 1 minus y multiplied by 1 minus z will be greater than or equal to 8 times of xyz. And what was given to us in the question? K times of xyz was given to us. So k will be becoming what? 8 over here. So 8 is the right answer for this question. Now how it can be solved by us using shortcut method. So for the shortcut method, we have the concept maximum and minimum value, maximum slash minimum value occurs at point of symmetry. So what will be the point of symmetry for this function, you might be wondering. Guys, x is equal to y is equal to z, that will be becoming 1 by 3 will be the point of symmetry for this function. And what do we have? 1 minus x, 1 minus y, 1 minus z is equal to x, y, z. But at the point of symmetry, guys, the things will be becoming equal. So k times of x, y, z will be getting. This will be becoming 2 by 3, this will be becoming 2 by 3, this will be becoming 2 by 3 is equal to k times of 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. So k will be becoming what? 8. The shortcut method is quite easy to understand, very easy to apply. Just remember this method. So both the ways you should know this question. Option C will be the right answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.